Are you struggling with stress and looking for effective ways to reduce it in your life? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to the practice of mindfulness and guide you through some simple techniques. Mindfulness is a state of non-judgmental awareness in which you focus on the present moment. To start, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in and exhaling slowly, allowing your body to relax. Now, bring your attention to your breath, noticing the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the breath without any judgment. Another technique you can try is a body scan, where you systematically bring awareness to each part of your body. Starting with your toes, slowly move your attention up through your legs, torso, arms, and all the way to the top of your head. As you do this, notice any sensations or tensions in each area without trying to change them. Letting your breath come and go naturally, observe any thoughts or emotions that arise, acknowledging them without getting caught up in them. Remember to be gentle with yourself and allow any feelings to simply pass by like clouds in the sky. If you find it challenging to stay present, you can use an anchor such as focusing on the sounds around you or the sensation of your feet on the ground. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life can help you bring more awareness to your thoughts and emotions. It can also assist in reducing stress and developing a calmer mind. You can practice mindfulness while doing everyday activities like eating, walking, or even doing the dishes. Simply bring your attention fully to the task at hand and notice the details of what you're doing. By doing this, you create a space for calmness and reduce the tendency to get caught up in worries or stressful thoughts. As you continue to practice mindfulness, you may notice an increased sense of peace and well-being in your life. Remember, mindfulness is a skill that requires patience and consistent effort to develop, so be kind and patient with yourself along the way. In conclusion, mindfulness is a powerful tool for stress reduction that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. By practicing these techniques, you can gradually cultivate a calmer mind and live a more mindful and balanced life.